Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if Google Cloud can actually compete with AWS and Azure for your dev projects in 2025, or if it's still playing catching up. Google Cloud has seriously leveled up in 2025 with strong support for AI workloads, serverless computing, Kubernetes with GKE, BigQuery for analytics, and seamless Firebase and Android integrations, giving developers powerful tools with clean UI, usage-based pricing, and strong performance. And while AWS still dominates in services and Azure wins on enterprise adoption, GCP stands out for startups and agile dev teams who want speed, scalability, and smart data tools without the clutter. So, if you're building modern apps, AI tools, or global APIs, Google Cloud is now a real contender, especially if you already live in the Google ecosystem. That's the full review. Code smarter, scale faster, and hit like and subscribe for more no flap dev platform reviews.